What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing well and hope you're all having an awesome day. So a quick one here on nat gas, gold and crude oil, starting with nat gas. So what do we have here? As you can see, the patience is the key, and we've been taking some nice badass sell trade since the price is pushing down with some nice bearish candles. Since here we got nice entry, and then the price pushed down out of 20 EMA in the major area of value we've been waiting from last couple of weeks, and finally the price is now in the zone from where we can look for buy trades. So let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand the entries and conditions. I sell trades, and all we need to do, be patient and just look for sell opportunities. The way I look for sell opportunities is just with these type of pullbacks followed by a bearish engulfer, pullback followed by a bearish engulfer. So be patient and have the zones on your chart. I'm still expecting the price to hit this 1.618 retracement and this major zone, the bearish engulfer. But if we have a pullback at 20 EMA and if we have a bearish engulfer, we will enter another short until we hit this green area. Awesome. That is what exactly has happened. Like I said, these are just a breathers in a pullback, and in a downtrend these pullbacks are normal. You don't have to get panicked with that. Now at this point, as you can see, price did push up at 20 EMA and now fall in this area of value. I'm going to go for MCX chart in a moment as well, but let's see the conditions here. At this point, we are only going to look for buying opportunities, as looking at the fact we are in the major zone. Let me quickly show you why I'm paying attention to this major area of value. As you can see, previously the price has pushed up dramatically from here, pushed up from here, pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down. So that is why this zone is a level of significance, an area I'm paying attention to take my counter buy trade. Now I want to give you a heads up here. Now the way you can look for the entry condition, if we have, let's say, another red candle and then a green candle, if we have this pattern, then we have a valid buy signal. Or if the very next candle is a big engulfer, then we have a valid buy signal. Or let's say we have no entry condition, we have a red, red, green, green and red, and we have a move like this, which I call a double bottom pattern. If we have that move, that will be a very strong reason to enter. But in this area we can look to enter aggressively as well, looking at this is a major zone and it's a very good area to take your counter trade. So keep an eye here, look for your entries on 1 hour and 4 hour as well. So if you go back on 1 hour time frame, if this candle closed as a red candle and then we have a green candle and previous candle has to be a red candle, if that happens, we have a good buy condition. Now I want to tell you a very important point. The mistake traders do when they buy, they don't set up the stop loss and take profit. Not having a take profit is as risky as not setting up your stop loss. So once you have your conditions on either time frame, set up your take profit according to the ATR. ATR, this number right here, so you can enter at least 2 ATR, 1.5 to 2 ATR from this zone, and once your target is hit, make sure you take your profit or manage your trade, because when the market is in a downtrend and come in the area of value, what happens is market give us a bounce, and that bounce is enough to hit our target before it can fall back and continue to push down in a downtrend. So make sure have your stop loss and take profit set. Only enter your buy trade with an entry confirmation, as this is a good zone to enter your trades. Here on MCX chart, the price just hit a level of major support, the level we've been waiting for. Now similar condition, look for just a bullish engulfer. Once we have that, or a double bottom or a pin bar, we are good to take long, and targets will be 1 ATR or 2 ATR from this zone. Once we have a condition, I will send an email to priority members as well. Let's check crude oil. Okay, crude oil has just hit a level of minor support. This is not a good support area. So if a level of structure is not a very good level, what I do, I don't enter in an aggressive way. I wait for price to form either a double bottom pattern or a pin bar or a 382 candle, and then I enter few pips above. So at this point, even though if we have a bullish engulfer, it's up to you if you want to enter in an aggressive way. But looking at the fact this level is not a very strong counter trade level, I will personally wait for my double bottom pattern. If that happens, I will enter long. Otherwise, we can expect some pullbacks and price can likely to push down until the price forms a very good strong buy signal. So keep an eye here. Let's check gold. Awesome. So price did push up, break above this zone. We had a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer. At this point, this is a buy signal for me, and I'm expecting a price to push up at least $8 from here. At this point, the price is at 19.24, so $8 from here will be something 1933, from where you can exit your trade. If you are in a buy trade, this is a zone from where we can exit and look for the further condition and not entering sell trade at this point. Just look for buying opportunities. Once, if you are in a trade, your $8 push up will be your profit and stop loss the same. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.